and dogs. Two cool things. Today we're going to be checking out the DJI Mini 2. Also going to be checking out a cool dog named JoJo. Come on, let's go. And this is the boxer we call JoJo. He's a rescue and he was a cuckoo dog, but now he's coming along. Look at this. He's not cuckoo anymore. He's a smart guy. Look at that guy. This is my DJI Mini 2. It is small, it's compatible. I have got some excellent shots with it. It's very easy to navigate. It works very well. The only thing is, I think it's from Team China and it may be spying on you. So that's my only thing I really don't like about it. Ready? All right, let's get ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1. Check out these cool shots from my DJI Mini 2. Make sure you support your Humane Society. He's very cute and very nice, and he turned out to be a nice boy. Like JoJo. Right, JoJo? There you go. Yeah. Good boy, JoJo. What a smart guy.